Welcome to the LabVIEW Programming Ability Enhancement Laboratory. In this video, we are going to demonstrate build a virtual instrument that simulates a basic calculator using formula node. In this VI, we are going to create a calculator to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hence, we require two inputs A and B to perform addition A plus B, to perform subtraction A minus B, to perform multiplication A into B, to perform division A divided by B. Let's start the VI. Let's take the new VI. Right click on the front panel, select numeric. In that, select numeric control, place it on the front panel. Rename that as num1. Same way, select the second numeric. Right click on the front panel, select numeric control, rename it as num2. We can change the value by varying the side slides. Let's take the indicators. Right click on the front panel, select numeric. In that, select numeric indicator, rename that as sum. Similarly, take one more numeric indicator, rename that as difference. Next, take one more numeric indicator, rename that as product. Select the one more indicator and rename that as quotient. As we are performing calculator in terms of a formula node, we need to select formula node. To select that, right click on the block diagram, select structure. In that, select formula node. Place that on the block diagram. To name this, right click on the formula node, select visible item. In that, select label. We can able to see formula node on top of the structure. Now we are having two inputs num1 and 2, 4 outputs sum, difference, product and quotient. Now let's give the input to the formula. Right click on the formula node, select add and name that as. Now take the second input, right click on the formula, select add input, rename that as B. Connect the B to the numeric control 2 and connect the A on formula node to numeric control 1. Now let's take right click on the formula node on right side, select add output, rename that as, connect S to the sum output. Similarly, take one more output, right click on the formula node, select add output, rename that as D. Connect that to the. Now take output. At the right side of the formula node, right click, add output, rename that as P and connect product. Take the fourth one. At the right side of the formula node, right click, add output, rename that as Q. Connect that to the quotient. Whatever the operation has to be performed, that equation has to be given with that is going to be represented with a output and input whatever we have given to the formula node. We have to use the same variable which has been represented at the input and output side of the formula node. To perform summation, output is S, inputs are A and B. So S is equal to A plus B. End the equation with semicolon. Same manner, to perform subtraction, difference that is represented with D, D is equal to A minus B, end with semicolon. To represent multiplication, product is given as P, P is equal to A into B, end. To represent division, Q is mentioned, Q is equal to A divided by B, and if we give the input values as numeric 1 as 6 and number 2 as 2, and if we run the VI, we get the sum as 6 plus 2 as 8, difference that is 6 minus 2 as 4, product 6 into 2 as 12, quotient 6 by 2 as 3. In this manner, we can able to demonstrate a calculator using